Before using the generator, make sure it is standing upright and not positioned too close to any open windows on the motorhome or where you'll be sitting when outside. First up, connect your electric hookup cable to the hookup socket on the side of the motorhome. You'll find a 3-pin adapter for the hookup cable in the bucket within your garage. Connect the 3-pin plug to the generator. Then connect your hookup cable to the other end of the adapter. To start the engine, turn the fuel cap vent lever on the top of the generator fully clockwise to the on position. Turn the engine switch also to the on position. Move the choke lever to the right, to the start position. Note, do not use the choke when the engine is warm or the air temperature is high. Then, pull the starter grip lightly until you feel resistance. Then pull the starter grip briskly towards you. Finally, move the choke lever back to the left, to the run position, as the engine warms up. To turn it off, switch off any connected equipment. Turn the engine switch to the off position. And turn the fuel cap vent lever fully anti-clockwise, again to the off position. The generator is fitted with an eco throttle, allowing you to minimise fuel consumption whilst in operation. It's a small switch labelled with a tortoise and a hare. If you're using the power intermittently, turn on the eco throttle system and it will give a boost of energy when required. If you're using the generator to charge the batteries on board the motorhome, turn the eco system off for a quicker charge. Allow the engine to cool if the generator has been in operation before refueling, and only refuel outdoors in a well-ventilated area with the engine off. When refueling, only ever use unleaded petrol. Unscrew the fuel filler cap and pour the petrol straight in. Do not overfill the fuel tank or go above the maximum level. Make sure that any spilled fuel has been wiped up and the fuel filler cap replaced before starting the engine. Please make sure to follow these safety tips. Never run the generator inside a motorhome, tent, garage, house or near open windows and doors. Keep the generator dry at all times to avoid serious shock or electrocution. Keep away from flammable materials as the exhaust system gets hot and some materials could ignite. Allow the engine to cool if the generator has been in operation before refueling. To stop the engine in an emergency, turn the engine switch to the off position.